If you are struggling to reach your goals and you want to begin setting more effective goals, then this episode is for you. Let's get into it. This is your girl, Crystal Lauren, the Next Level Slayer, and this is my channel where I bring you strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. If you're ready to go to the next level, this is an episode you don't want to miss. Stay tuned. All right, in this episode, I'm going to share with you how effective goal setting can help you achieve your goals and why it's important. If you have a business that you're trying to get to the next level, then you definitely want to have some goals set for that business, and you may be giving up on some of those goals because you see that you are not achieving them. Well, the reason why many people give up on their goals is because they lose motivation and they see themselves not achieving it. But are the goals that you're setting effective? Meaning, are you clear on the goal that you're setting? So, the reason why effective goal setting is very important, well, it helps you achieve your goal, for one. There's many reasons. To start with, when you have a clear goal in mind, and when I say clear goal in mind, most of us don't achieve our goals because we're not clear on the goal, and we're not clear on the goal for many different reasons. When we have a clear goal in mind, it's easier to focus on what is important and what is not important. And having a clear goal also helps us to stay motivated and focus on the work that we're doing. Effective goal setting also gives us clarity about what the next step should be toward achieving the goal. You can also use this clarity to plan out the task at hand, like setting milestones and deadlines for yourself to gauge how well you are doing against your goals. So, are you guys doing that for your business? I know for a long time I was not. And once I got clarity on exactly what it is that I wanted to do, for instance, when I launched this YouTube channel, it's to provide you with opportunities, ideas, strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. Well, I definitely provide opportunities to take your money to the next level. I've provided some things to take your business to the next level, and here and there mindset strategies, but setting a clear goal, but reaching a goal to achieve certain things in my business, I had to learn how to write more effective goals that I know that will help me. For instance, in network marketing opportunities that I'm in, if I try to set a goal to get a certain number of people to join me, that is something that I definitely struggled with. But I did get people to join me, but it was more, it wasn't a goal that I set. I just produced content on the channel, and people liked it and they joined. I didn't set a goal with it. So that's what I mean. You have to establish some sort of online presence in order to do it that way. But you would get so much more out of it if you set a goal to get people to join your business, your opportunity, or to sell them your product or service or whatever it is that you're doing. So when you do this, when you accomplish a goal, you get a sense of accomplishment, which is motivating because it moves you to achieve even more goals. So if you are struggling to achieve goals and get clarity toward your goal, I do have a free ebook called How to Get Clarity on What You Want to Achieve Your Goal. It will be linked in the description of this video, where you can get some strategies to help you get the clarity you need to achieve your goal. So you want to achieving goals. This is some things that you have to kind of look at. You have to become more focused and productive. It is important to set goals that are specific and measurable. I'm sure you all heard that before if you have looked into other people that showed you, that talked about setting goals. What exactly does that mean? Your goals have to be specific and measurable. That's why you have to have clarity on the goal, on what you want. When you have clarity, you can be more specific, and you can and it has to be something that you can measure. This means that the goal must be something that you can put a number or a time limit on. This type of goal will help you stay motivated, so you'll know when you have reached your short-term and your long-term goals. An example of a specific and measurable goal is, I'm going to finish an article by midnight on Saturday, November 1st. Or I'm going to make $1,500 before Friday, October 26th. That's a specific, measurable goal. And a lot of us that are in network marketing opportunities, we don't set goals. We don't like setting goals like that because we don't believe that we will obtain them, or we're not clear that we really want to do it. There's something that's stopping us from saying, do I really want to do this? I know that's what it was for me. But that is an example of specific and measurable goals. Now, one thing that you could do to help you set these specific, measurable goals is to use a planner. And the planner will help you set concrete goals and track your progress. It's not going to help you predict the future, but it will help you achieve goals on a daily basis. So when you set one ultimate goal, there's daily tasks that you can do that will lead you up to that goal. So if it is your desire to be able to establish an online presence or grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers within the 3-month period, then whatever that date you're going to set 1,000 subscribers in the end of the 3-month period, whatever date that is, that's what you're going to do. But what is it going to take for you to do that? So then you have to start from the beginning to say, what is it going to take for me to get 1,000 subscribers by this date? What do I need to do to make that happen? And then you start listing those things that you need to do to get subscribers. And then once you see the content that you produce is working, that got you the subscribers, then you need to create more content that'll help you bring in more subscribers. So it is the goal, and then like a trickle down effect of what to do to get you to that point. Now, I use a site called ClickUp to track my goals and daily tasks, and they do have a free plan. There'll be a link in the description for that. But that is something that you can do. Now, if you don't you don't want to do YouTube videos to show your face, you don't like showing your face, well, in this video, I specifically done it to where you don't have to show your face, because majority of the time people don't market opportunities that they get into because they don't want to show their face. They don't want to create the content to make it happen. They don't know how, which is something that I know how to do. I know how to show people how to do it. And I do have a course to show people how to do that. That too will be linked in the description. But you can start from just getting clear, reading the free ebook, getting clear on what it exactly is you want. You watch my channel to find out income stream opportunities that are out there. There are income stream opportunities out there that you could do that involve you having to sell a product, a service, something that you're good at. You have to, that's where the clarity comes in. What is it that I really, really want to do? What is it that I like doing? What is it that I love talking about? Those things are what you want to tune into. There are many, I found myself, the reason why I haven't done that much income stream opportunities because I'm just not focused anymore on just picking anything. I got clarity on what exactly it is I want to produce income in, and I zeroed in on that. I got clear on what income opportunities do I want to invest in going forward. So that is why you see less of that. Again, this channel is about providing you with opportunities, strategies, opportunities, and ideas to take your business, your money, and your mindset to the next level. So I've been providing all the opportunities. Now I want to start providing strategies to take the business and your mindset to the next level. And this is more of a strategy to take your business to the next level and your mindset, because getting clarity is a mindset thing. And getting focused so you can achieve those goals is a mindset thing. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to touch on that for those of you that are, I know, watching, looking for a way to make some money. There's opportunities that you're avoiding because you don't know if you want to do them. You don't want to sell. You don't want to recruit. Or there is something that you want to share with people, but you are afraid to because you don't know how. And on this channel is something that I want to share with you. I want to provide you strategies and ideas to help you share what it is you have to offer people. You have to, if you want to make an impact in the world, you have to share it. So that means establishing an online presence. So if you like this content, if you want that ebook, it's in the description below. If you want to start setting your goals, the link to click up is below as well. And I have several courses available that can help you establish an online presence. So you'll be able to check those out as well when you I'll be sharing more about that course on this channel. I'm not going to share it today, but I will be. But if you want to learn more about it, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, I see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.
Welcome to the